This video is designed to help you complete favorite ice cream flavors in Unit 4 Excel. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up charts underscore your name, which is the file you will find in the assignment in the online school. Favorite ice cream flavors. We need to fill in the data for the classes for each of the flavors of ice cream. So we're going to go ahead and put under Mrs. Horton, we're going to put 3 for vanilla, 6 double chocolate, 5 birthday cake, 2 Rocky Road, 5 salted caramel, 8 cookie dough, 6 mint chocolate chip, and 5 chocolate peanut butter. Under Mrs. Dumas, we're going to put 6 vanilla, 3 double chocolate, 5 birthday cake, 2 Rocky Road, 4 sea salted caramel, 9 cookie dough, 8 mint chocolate chip, and 4 chocolate peanut butter. Now that you've entered your data, you're ready to start following the directions for formatting your spreadsheet. If you don't have your directions open, you can just follow along. So we're going to click on cell A1, hold in our mouse, and drag it over to C1. That selects A1, B1, and C1. Under your home menu, you're going to find the Merge and Center button, or you're going to find the button that has the words Merge and Center right next to it. If your window is not fully expanded, meaning your window does not fill your entire laptop screen, then this will not be totally visible, and you will have to look for the Merge and Center button alone. When you click on Merge and Center, it takes cells A1, B1, and C1, and it makes it one giant cell. Then we're going to drop down the fill bucket, which it looks like the paint can, and we're going to fill these cells with a light orange color. Your next step is to resize column A, B, and C. I will move my mouse between column A and B, and I get a plus sign with arrows. When I double click, it will resize column A. I will move my mouse between column B and C. I will get that plus sign with the 2 arrows. I will double click. It'll resize column B. I will do that one last time between column C and D. I will move my mouse to get that plus sign with the arrows, and I will double click and it will resize column C. And I apologize if you hear little noises in the background. My puppy dog is in the room with me. I'm now going to select cells A2 down to A10. So I click on A2, hold in my mouse, and drag down to A10. I'm going to fill these cells with a light blue color. I am now going to select cell B2 over to C2 and down to C10. And I'm going to fill these cells with a light gray color. I've now created like a little spreadsheet with a little bit of formatting. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select A2 down to C10. I'm going to click on my insert menu and I'm going to insert a 3D column chart. So this is the column chart button. I'm going to drop this down and I'm going to choose a 3D column chart. It can be any one of these of your choice, but it must be 3D. So here we have our 3D column chart. I'm going to double click where it says title and I'm going to change the title to favorite ice cream flavors. So I now have a title. If I click anywhere in the white of my spreadsheet, anywhere in the white, of my chart, I'm going to get 3 buttons: chart elements, chart styles, chart filters. I'm going to click on the chart elements. I want to make sure that I have an axis, chart title. I want data labels, grid lines, and legend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things should be checked off under chart elements. Under the chart style, I can choose a different style of chart. I can choose different colors, so I can change the color scheme of my chart, okay, to a chart color and style of your choice. Our final steps are to do some calculations. So in cell A11, I'm going to type total. In A12, I'm going to type max. In A13, I'm going to type min. And in A14, I'm going to type average. In cell B11, I'm going to use the sum function, so equals sum parenthesis to sum or add up B3 to B10. I will use that same function for cell C11 equals sum parenthesis, wrong one, sorry, parenthesis and C3 to C10, and I'm going to press enter. For max, I'm going to use the max function equals max parenthesis, click on B3, drag down to B10, press enter. Oops, I'm so sorry. B10, not B11. I went a little too far. Over here in C12, I'm going to use again equals max parenthesis, C3 down to C10, press enter, and it's pulling the highest number. So the highest number in this set is 8, and it pulls the 8 down. The highest number in this set is 9, and it pulls the 9 down. Min, I'm going to use equals min function. It's going to find the smallest number in the set. So B3 to B10, it's going to pull that smallest number of 2. Over here in C13, I'm going to use equals min parenthesis, and I'm going to select C3 to C10. When I press enter, it's going to bring down that smallest number, or the min, of 2. The final functions are equals average, and again, I'm going to use B3 to B10 as my data, and it's going to take B3 to B10, add them up, and divide by the total number in the set. So the average is 5. Equals average over here, again in C14, we're using C3 to C10, and the average is 5.125. I'm now going to click on A11 and select to C14. I'm going to fill in with a light green, and that is your favorite ice cream flavors project. The spreadsheet, the chart, you are ready to submit.